Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So, after a very long time, Cardano is wake up, and absolutely, this is live price prediction to what's going on in June. My friends, can this is possible to Cardano will hit $2 dollar again now, and what's the target? Absolutely, we predict this going to upcoming time. There is a chances to they will wake up and they go in the moon or not, my friends. Exactly, this month is completely falls down. It's absolutely very bad news for all of you. Let's see, my brother. And after this prediction, absolutely you understand can there is a chance to they will wake up or not, my brother. So if you can see this time, the last 1 month chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely gonna show you to half month they moving upward and half month they fails down. So definitely it's 100% sure, my brothers, to in the start of month, especially all cryptocurrencies fails down. Definitely if you can see this time they fails down, but definitely in the second week you can see here May 05, you can see here they starting moving upward, and absolutely this is very good jumps, my friends, change occur now. So it's 100%, my friends, 100% possible to upcoming time they also wake up, because after a fails they take a jump. You can see here after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. But after a jump it is absolutely possible to they again take a very huge jump. So let's see, my brother, this time you can see 2.43 USD dollar they already hit in this month, my brother. But this time 1.64 USD dollar is the latest price. So I hope, my friends, in upcoming times they will going in the moon. But this time the current condition is going to be very bad, because this is the end of month, so every cryptocurrency is spells down, especially in those days. Try to understand, my brother. Cardano is one of the fastest coin this time in the crypto market. You can see this stable coin, they cannot fail down. When they fails down, then absolutely they take a very short fails, but after this they again take a very huge jump, and that will give you a very good profit now. So Cardano holders, try to understand. I'm going to give you the update, but there's not good of latest good latest update available just in only, my brother, 0.6%. You can see here I gonna show you the changes and the highest price. So 0.06% they are in the profit just in only, you can see, my brother, in the last 1 hour. And 1.64 USD dollar is the latest price of Cardano. So my opinion is that to don't sell it, hold it, and wait for, my friends, good time when they take a huge jump. Exactly this time you go now and sell it. Absolutely they will give you very good profit. So thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Hope you enjoyed. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.